plant like he owns the floor. The little guy, big attitude, can't do a thing for sure. He'll tell you how to do your job while standing still. Let the tiles pile up, watch them fall, he's got the thrill. This king of doing nothing, sitting on his throne, calling mechanics for problems he should have known. Spin those grinding wheels, 16 turns just right, while he sits on the sorter bench all night. Line jam, old buddy, he's got it covered kinda. Stands there pointing fingers like a sorta operator kinda. Mechanic fixes the jam, Pesh nods and walks away. Another day in paradise at the tile plant. Hey! There's king of doing nothing, sitting on his throne, calling mechanics for problems he should have known. Spin those grinding wheels, 16 turns just right, while he sits on the sorter bench all night. Sleigh could crash, elves wouldn't intervene, but Pesh would watch it all unfold calm and serene. Tiles falling like snow, lines stopping in the night. He'd call the elves to fix it just to feel the fright. Pesh, king of doing nothing, legend of the floor, telling everybody what to do, but doing more or less. Spin those grinding wheels, stack the tiles just right, but Pesh, little Pesh, sits there all night.